Fuck. Damn.
If it's got you getting off of Canton, that's a definite wiggly road. But it like it, dude. Oh my god. Oh, God.
Tracy, go ahead.
Well, yes, I have a deafening analogy.
What the fuck?
Is he going right? Hey, that's it. What's he stopped for? What the fuck? Some people, what are they doing? Oh, what's he doing? Is he in France or is he in the UK? He's in the middle lane. Shouldn't laugh really, it's not funny, is it? I mean, is he drunk?
Forever lose your right to be awarded a settlement between $100,000 and $550,000. For your free evaluation, call 800-677-1022. That's 800-677-1022. 800-677-1022. Cars for Kids.org. Right off the corner of the key.
Yo guys, have your fun. I don't really care, but we got 7-year-old kids living on this street. If they're out here running around playing, you guys fly up and down this road.
You're going 20, 30.
No, you weren't.
Right now? Right now.
Yeah.
We're doing like 30
Dude,
miles an hour.
I'm telling you,
I mean,
everybody's
if you want
flying
to,
up
you
and
can
down
get the
the
police
street.
involved, but
Just
we
do me
got
a
it on
favor.
dash cam. We
Just
got
do
it
me
on
a
dash
favor.
cam.
Just do me a favor. Please.
We literally have a 50 or a 300cc with us. We can't go that fast.
I'm just telling you.
And I'm just
It's
telling
always,
you.
It's always up and down the street. People flying up and down here when you guys come down here.
We just literally went 30 miles an hour, and I have it on my
I'm
dash
just
cam.
telling you. I mean,
Okay.
There's little kids. That's all I'm asking. I don't care. Have fun. I don't give a shit. Just have
Well,
fun.
clearly you do.
Be safe.
We were
on my
going
street.
30 miles an hour down the hill.
You want to keep running your mouth? We can solve it.
Solve it like what? You're coming over here
I'm
to my
asking
friend's
you to just
property.
drive slowly down the hill. We got little kids on
We
the
were
street.
going 30 miles an hour.
That's all I ask. It's not.
No problem.
It's not.
And you're not going slow.
Then call the cops. I can show them my footage.
Go cut some more grass, guy. What's that? Go cut some more grass.
What are you gonna do?
God, you shot
You came to us.
You came to me.
You are fucking stupid. Fuck. You are one stupid motherfucking born cock eater.